Hey,
Yes.
welcome back. As part of the previous session, we have used a for loop. So let us see how exactly we can use a for each loop in retrieving the data. So here I'm naming this particular file as a CSV3. Okay, perfectly all right. Let me pull this code up. Yes, the CSV file 3. And here, instead of using this particular double quotes, right? Whenever you are using a double quotes, you can concatenate using a plus. Or whenever you are using a single quotes, also you can use a plus operation. Consider that you are using this backticks basically. So whenever you are using this particular backticks, in order to concatenate with this particular information, okay, in order to concatenate with this particular information, you will be using a dollar. So here, what we need to do here is this should be captured here. Dollar open bracket this particular name. That's it, guys. So dollar this particular bracket, this particular name. Perfectly all right. And now, so this is the way how exactly whenever you use this particular backtick. Perfectly all right. And now, how exactly we can use a f for each loop. So here, let me comment this whole chunk. Okay, let me comment this whole chunk that we have used it for the for loop. And here we have the data stored in the form of a data. So here data dot for each. And I'm gonna mark it as a record again as part of this particular record. Okay, as part of this particular record, I wanna get some information. Okay, whatever the data is there, I just wanna get it in this particular information. So here, this record should be surrounded. Okay, this record should be surrounded. Yeah, perfectly all right. Yes. So yeah, perfectly all right. That's it. And now we need to put this test again. So here, whatever the test content is there, copy the test content and put it inside this and uncomment these lines of a code. Okay, just uncomment these lines of a code. Instead of using a for loop, we just changed it to a for each loop. Now, if you go to the testing tab and if you look at the reading the data from a CSV file, you have this information for the two sets of a data. See here, the way how you have represented that one got to change it. That's it, guys. Nothing more than that. Earlier, we used a double quotes and we used a concatenation operation as a plus, and now we are using a backtick, and here we are using a dollar and the open brackets and that particular variable name that you are specifying. That's it. Apart from that, nothing got changed. Whenever you run the program, this time it will be executing the two sets of a data itself. That's it. This time it will be executing on a two sets of data. See, the two tests got a pass. So this is the way how exactly we can retrieve the data from a CSV file and how exactly we can use it, whether with a for loop or with a for each loop. Okay, perfectly all right. See you again in the next session. Thank you.